So I have a Bluetooth receiver for my radio because it's Bose and I like it. But I need to listen to Bluetooth for my MP3s and my Pandora and such. So I don't want some that sticks out of my cigarette lighter, because you know these guys, cigarette lighters over there and back there, and they're not very convenient. So I have this. It's got a little base, plugs in through the hole, goes through the back. Anyways, I don't like how wobbly it is. And granted, I can take the sticky stuff off the bottom, but then it still moves around a lot. So a lot of these Z350s, 350Zs as you will, their ashtrays are missing, and my lid was broken when I got it, but it still fits there pretty good. So what I'm thinking of doing is drilling a hole about the size of that guy and using this tensioner to hold it to the back of this lid. So that way I can have this lid in there. Looks a little bit more finished, more polished, if you will. So we'll see how it looks once I get that set up. I mean, it's already a lid I have, and it's not worth anything else. I was just going to throw it away. I just serendipitously kept it for now. I'll let y'all know what I have when I'm done. So I used a paddle blade to get a hole through the center of this ashtray. Now we're going to configure, we're going to put the Bluetooth radio through it and see how it fits. Alright, so I drilled it out and I mounted it through the ashtray cover and used the threaded knobby part to get this Bluetooth radio thing to fit. So with the wire still through the hole pointing to the back, and using this guy right here as a spacer, I can pull this out or put it in and pull it out, put it in depending on what I need. I will see how well it fits. Yeah, it took a little bit of sanding to get that in there, but it seems to fit pretty good. I will show you the finished product when I've got it. So it sits in there pretty good. I mean, I can glue it down if I wanted to, but I really don't. If I pull the cable taut, so now it's taut, it's actually pretty firm in there. Doesn't move around too much, doesn't fall down, but I have access to it. And otherwise would have been a useless ashtray. So I'm rather pleased, considering everything else of the Bluetooth radio pieces have, you have to stick them in the cigarette lighter and have to adjust them, or they stick to the visor, the air duct, which will not work for me because it gets in my way. This Bluetooth MP3 stick has an SD card, micro SD, has an aux port, which I do not need. I can do hands-free with my cell phone, Pandora, and wherever I answer phones. It's pretty sweet. Nice and easy to reach. An otherwise useless spot. And as you see online, the ashtrays are astronomically priced, which they're ridiculous. So anyways, has a nice fit. A little bit of movement. I can glue that in if I wanted to, but I don't really want to. And I can push down on it. It doesn't fall down. I'm pleased. It's a good solution. Talk to you later.